How's it going, everybody? If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. Today, I'm making state quarter coin rings. If you'd like to get one, you can tap a little bag down here. Got them in all 50 states, in copper and 90% silver. If you have any questions while I work, feel free to put them in the chat. But yeah, tap a little shopping bag, pick your state and size. I'll get to work on it for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, I've got these copper and 90% silver state quarters in all 50 states. All you got to do is pick your state and size, and I'll hand make you a ring out of a coin. Currently working on a California quarter. We're going to make this one size 11. We're going to go over to the 1-ton arbor press and fold it a few times. Again, if you'd like to get one, tap a little shopping bag. If you have any questions, let me know. Looking really nice. Again, I've got these in all 50 states in copper and 90% silver. If you'd like to get one, tap the little shopping bag down here. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. If you're enjoying the live, make sure to tap the screen and hit that follow button. Thanks for watching, guys. Now there should be some $5 off vouchers that you guys can claim just by tapping the shopping cart down here. Should be pretty easy. So if you want $5 off a coin ring, go claim yourself a voucher. If you have any questions, let me know. Pretty easy way to get $5 off. See how close we are to size 11. Look at that. That is so close. Crazy close. Yeah, guys, tap that shopping bag. How can I get it? Intro, not shine. So I'm not sure what you mean. There we go. Right at size 11. So what I use to polish my rings is these. These are disposable jewelry polishing cloths. They work pretty good. So if you're asking how do you get your ring to shine, that's what I use. Works pretty good. But yeah, guys, there's $5 off vouchers down here. You don't want it to shine. So over time, it'll naturally oxidize and kind of yeah, it'll do that on its own. Just wear it. Wait about a week or two. Yeah. There we go. Finished California copper coin ring. Again, if anybody wants one, tap the shopping bag down here. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit the follow button if you haven't yet. I'm gonna put these on a flash sale real quick. So y'all hang out with me. Let me set this up. I'm gonna put them both on 50% off. So you'll be able to get a copper one for 21 bucks and a silver one for 50. That flash sale is gonna last for 5 minutes. So if you want to get one at a really good price, wait about 1 minute for these flash sales to go active. I'll let you know when they do. If you've just joined in here, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins into rings. This was a copper California quarter that I just finished making into a ring. And I've got these in copper and 90% silver in all 50 states. And you guys are about to be able to get them for half off. So bear with me just a moment. It makes me wait a whole minute, so I'm sorry about that. All right, the copper ones are 50% off right now, and the silver ones are about to be 50% off. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, tap the shopping bag, get yourself half off a coin ring, pick your state and size. It's a good deal. Let's see those orders roll in, man. Half off. That's like, you can get 2 for 1 right there. Copper and 90% silver. It's a pretty good deal. Just pick your state and size. If you need a half or quarter size, just leave a note when you place your order. Let's go. Let's get some coin ring orders in. Come on, tap that bag. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. You can do it. Get a coin ring. They're real cool. And they're half off right now. What I recommend is visiting a jewelry store. Typically, they'll size you in about 5 minutes. Most places will do it for free. That's the most accurate way to get a ring size. There's lots of dumb ways to get your ring size on the internet, like using string or measuring tape or even pieces of paper and wrapping around your finger. Those are not accurate. You're gonna get a wrong size. So if you can make it to a jewelry store, that is what I highly recommend. Looks like we made a sale. Let's go. Anybody else want one? 50% off coin rings right now for the next 4 minutes. That's copper and 90% silver. You can get a copper one for 21 bucks, usually $42. You can get a 90% silver stay quarter coin ring right now, usually $100. You can pick one up for 50 bucks. That's a 90% silver handmade coin ring for 50 bucks. Tap a little shopping bag down here if you'd like to get one. Pick your state and size. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. Let's go. Tap that little shopping bag. Save 50%, guys. These are half off right now. Solid deal. Tap the little shopping bag. If you have any questions, please let me know. Keep an eye on it. So we got, about 3 more minutes left on this sale, and then I'm hopping off of here. If you would like a size 12, I can do that. Just pick any other size and leave a note when you place your order. The actual size range is 4 to 12. So if you're a little smaller or a little bigger than what's offered, I can do size 4 to size 12. You just need to pick another size and leave a note when you place your order. Thanks, DJ. Again, these are 50% off right now. Just pick your state and size. You got about 2 minutes left on this sale. Go grab you one. Copper and 90% silver, 50% off. Stay quarter coin rings. Go get you one. That's what's up. That's what's up. So if you do order a coin ring, make sure to hit the follow button, because I'll be making these live later this evening. But yeah, really cool piece of handmade jewelry right here. I've got them in copper and 90% silver. All 50 states are available, and they're 50% off right now for the next, I think, minute and a half. Less than a minute, guys. Hop on it. Tap that shopping bag. Get you one. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. Time crunch is upon you to save 50%. Let's go. Thank you very much for your order, Angel. We will be working on that later this evening. All right, 30 seconds to go, guys. Tap that shopping bag. If you enjoyed this live, make sure to hit the follow button so you can catch me next time I go live. I hope y'all have a wonderful afternoon. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, we'll catch you next time. Peace.